Assalamu alaikum students. I am Sananjum, your English teacher. Hope you are fine and safe in your homes. Today we are going to learn about the types of noun. First of all, we will learn what is a noun. Noun is actually a naming word. The things which are around you are having a name. So these are called noun. A noun names a person, place, thing or an idea. For example, bird, John, beach and box. Further, noun is categorized into 5 categories: common noun, proper noun, concrete noun, abstract noun and collective noun. Common noun, as it is clear from the name that it talks about the common things. A common noun names any person, place, thing or idea. For example, my book is on the table. Here book and table, they both are common noun. The girl went to school early in the morning. In this sentence, girl and school, they both are common noun. Proper noun. A proper noun names a specific person, place, thing or idea. It talks about the things which are special in nature. For example, my book, Long Walk to Freedom, is on the table. Here, the name of the book, Long Walk to Freedom, is proper noun. Wilma goes to Queen Mary College. Here, Wilma and Queen Mary College are proper noun. Remember one thing, proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Next is concrete noun. A concrete noun names a material thing, person or place. It is something that can be physically touched or perceived by the senses. For example, the judge handed the files to him. In this sentence, judge and files, they both are concrete noun. The box is on the shelf. Here, box is a concrete noun. But did you notice that judge, files and box, these are common noun as well. It means that noun can be used more than of one type. Here these three are common noun as well as concrete noun. Abstract noun. An abstract noun names ideas, feelings or qualities. They cannot be physically touched. For example, John wept in sorrow over the loss of his dog. Here, sorrow, it's a feeling, so it's a abstract noun. In the United States, we have freedom. Here, freedom, it cannot be physically touched, so it's a abstract noun. There are many more abstract nouns. For example, anger, love, poverty, hunger, satisfaction. Next, collective noun. Collective noun names a group or collection of people, places, things or ideas. They are considered one unit, so they are singular. We treat collective nouns as a singular subject. For examples, the crowd sounds like a herd of elephants. Here crowd, it means that it is a group of people, so it's a collective noun. The staff includes professionals and non-professional. Here staff is a collective noun. The group of students is standing in line. Here group is a collective noun. So these are the 5 types of noun. Okay, now sit with your partner and do this activity and talk about the nouns that from which category they belong to. Here are some links for you. You can use these links to download the worksheet. Download the worksheets from here, solve these worksheets and send me on my email ID, which is missanjum07@gmail.com. Thank you so much students. Have a good day.